Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the Myjio app with the target geo number. This ensures the right profile and storage context. Once signed in, check for updates in Play Store or App Store and restart the app so settings load cleanly. Make sure your phone's network is on, either mobile data or Wi-Fi, because the app may fetch usage metadata. Now tap the profile or menu icon to begin. This is where the data management options appear and where we'll make changes. Next, navigate to the in-app settings or storage section. This is often under your profile menu. Once there, choose Clear Cache to remove temporary files that count toward perceived data usage. This frees space without removing account data. If you need a deeper reset, select Clear Data, but be careful. This wipes local preferences and may sign you out, which is why we confirmed login earlier. Confirm any prompts and wait for the operation to finish. The app refreshes data indicators once cache or local data are cleared. Finally, reopen Myjio and check the data usage dashboard to verify that numbers reflect the cleared cache or reset. If the app still shows old usage, make sure to restart your phone and then re-login. That forces a fresh sync with Geo servers and often resolves stale displays. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app, because a clean install clears deeper corruption. And if nothing works, contact Geo support for server-side checks. Make sure to mention when you cleared cache and any error messages you saw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.